Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty and personal care products to give you the most insightful reviews. Today, we're putting the spotlight on a whimsical treat for young fashionistas, the Disney Minnie Mouse Body Spray for Girls by Air Val International. This charming body spray comes in a 6.8-ounce, 200 milliliters bottle, bringing the delightful essence of Minnie Mouse right to your little one's daily routine. Let's start with an overview of the product. This body spray features Minnie Mouse, the iconic character known for her polka dots and timeless fashion sense. Produced by Air Val International, this product proudly hails from Spain, and its design reflects Minnie's playful and stylish personality. The spray is formulated specifically for girls, aiming to deliver a light, fun fragrance that captures Minnie's charm. My personal experience with the Minnie Mouse Body Spray was quite pleasant. The bottle is adorned with vibrant, Minnie-themed graphics that are sure to catch any young girl's eye. Setting up and using the spray was straightforward. A simple twist of the cap, and you're ready to go. It's a no-fuss product that's easy for kids to handle, making it perfect for their daily routine. When it comes to performance, the body spray lives up to its promise of delivering a delightful fragrance. The scent is light and fresh, avoiding overwhelming notes that can sometimes be too strong for younger users. In practical use, the fragrance lasted a good part of the day without fading too quickly, which is a testament to its quality. However, it's worth noting that the scent profile is quite youthful, so older users might find it too juvenile. Pros of this body spray include its appealing Minnie Mouse design, which is sure to be a hit with fans of the character. Additionally, the fragrance is subtle yet pleasant, making it a good choice for young girls. On the flip side, the scent might not cater to those who prefer more mature or complex fragrances. Also, the bottle is somewhat bulky, which might not be ideal for travel or on-the-go use. In comparison to other body sprays for children, the Minnie Mouse Body Spray stands out for its fun, character-driven branding. While there are other options available, such as those from Disney's other characters or more neutral fragrances, this product's charm lies in its specific appeal to Minnie Mouse fans. When assessing value for money, the Minnie Mouse Body Spray is reasonably priced, given its 6.8-ounce volume and branded appeal. It delivers a quality product that combines both function and fun, though there are cheaper alternatives that may offer similar fragrance profiles without the character tie-in. Build quality is solid. The bottle feels durable and well-made, though it does have a somewhat bulky design. The materials used are standard for body sprays, and there are no noticeable design flaws that would impact its usability. User-friendliness is a strong suit here. The spray mechanism is easy to use, even for younger children, and the overall design is kid-friendly. Customer support from Air Val International has been generally positive. While direct interactions are limited, the company has a good reputation for addressing customer concerns promptly. In real-world testing, the spray performed well in various settings. It held up throughout a day of school activities, providing a refreshing burst of fragrance without being overpowering. There have been no significant updates or changes since the initial release, so what you see is what you get. In summary, the Disney Minnie Mouse Body Spray for Girls is a delightful product that brings a touch of Minnie's magic to daily routines. It's particularly well-suited for young girls who are fans of the iconic character. While it may not be ideal for those seeking a more mature fragrance, it offers good value for its price and stands out with its unique branding. If you're enjoying this review and want to see more great content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this Minnie Mouse Body Spray in the description box below. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments section, especially if you've tried this product or have any other favorites. Until next time, keep embracing your beauty and style with a touch of magic.